Skele, angkai skele, uza ngobukele, skele, skele, uza ngobukele, angkai skele, skele.
Sanibonani bafethu, and this is your boy Ukatleho Ntariana Mula, aka Mr. Soto Kafele Amotila, aka Mr. Cool himself, Intona Semahonchi, Lak Blomototi, Lak Gia Konipoti. I was born in Soweto, but my soul lives in Italy. That's why they call me Italiana bafethu. We are currently at Food Bar, your number one best place where they sell proper food, not just amakota, because ngibona abantu baphuma ngakota. Sinama pork trotters, sinomkhodu, we do buy and braai, there's a car wash, there's a place to chill, it's an open vibe, you can catch a taxi here, it's Uber friendly, so make sure you pull up a Food Bar bafethu, iming drive bafethu. After Food Bar niyazi ukuthi keke iming isikhathi eside. Namhlanje bafethu ngihamba angazi ngam addressa kanjani, but she's one of the finest, one of the talented, one of the hustlers who's underrated, but now I can see the progress is growing. Umam, so mina ngimbiza ngomam, nje ngizonitshela ukuthi igama lakhe ubani, because respect goes a long way. Mamzo wami. Awuze nje.
Yeah, okay, sanibonani. Igama lami nguPhumzile wakabheka. But my proper surname is Sithole. We cannot go deep into that, but yes, nguPhumzile wakabheka. And ngiyabonga Katleho kakhulu ukuthi ungintroduce and to invite me.
Yeah,
yes, mntana seSoweto lona ozalelwe eDlamini, akhulela khona, wasuka wayehlala eKZN, wasuka wahlala eMzimhlophe, now back to Dlamini again.
Yeah.
Yes.
So, what made you go to Mzimhlophe for you to go to Dlamini?
Okay. Let me start it here. Velele is Nawane.
Okay, sure.
Kabo mama mix Dlamini. So I stayed at Dlamini for quite some years until ngihamba ngena 13 going to KZN. KZN KZN Kabo Baba.
Okay.
Lady Smith. Ngahlala and came back to Mzimhlophe 1988.
Okay.
Yes. So where I grew up, Nkhuliso gogo.
Mntana yakho. Mabashe lokishini bathi mntana yakho.
Yeah, Nkhuliso gogo, angihlala nomama kakhulu. So Nkhuliso gogo, ngobeka strict.
Bengazithe.
Hayi bekangaspayi. Loya plus bekangashayani ngebhandi gogo, I'm never ilezi ebezitsipana bekwabo mistress basecreche. Bekwabo mistress basecreche. So bezidlala isizipho. Yo.
Manicure.
Plus ngikhulela la kudlala khona umchina, you understand? U5 so
keep it ngaphezulu kwa.
It's not even, I don't know ukuthi ngizothini, but kuyo yonke into ngiyambonga. Yeah, I think i-environment yakabo mama nje kakhulu ngiyayibonga, because beba abantu abanothando, even though nabakabo bama bebanothando, but angithi uyazi ukuthi kakhulu sikhulela kabo mama. So yeah, I enjoyed growing up there with, I've got very few friends. Very few friends. Labangani bami nginabo basetha abangani bami namanje, irrespective of ukuthi ngahamba ngaya kuphi ngabuyela eDlamini, we are still friends till today.
That's nice. Shout out to that.
So I'm counting years, 1970 something.
Yo, Bangas Tawa, the whole crew behind the camera. Bangas Tawa. Yes.
I made friends while I was growing.
But then shout out to that. Shout out for keeping the bond.
Thank you.
It's nice seeing abantu abamnyama babambana until the last end, because in terms of mnyama iphelele ndawo some of the time, because jealousy becomes involved, competition becomes involved, and izinto ezinjalo sigcina zibreaker into enhle.
True there.
So jumping back to your growth again, we want to know more about you, because now you're into acting. Abantu who are into acting, eclassini nasesitaridi beba-classified njengabantu abaphaphayo. Were you the quiet kid or kulo mntana bekaphapha? Ungangihleka.
Yazi nawukhule uhyper like you hear abantu abadala ujajarah wena.
Charles.
Yes. So people who are close to me now and those who were close to me growing up, whenever they see my success, they would say, we are not surprised.
Yeah.
Because this is who you are. You grew up uso.
Yeah,
so ula ukhona fanele ube khona, just that it was just a matter of time. Well, but ngikhule nje ngilo mntana. Apparently ngikhule ngilo mntana man ole yabona. Hayi ukuthi ngiyahlupha or but I think kunezinto ngazirealize siyabantu ukuthi uzalwa nayo into. Abanye ngibeka kanjani, there's a gift, there's a talent, and there's a calling.
Okay.
Yabona, so kungayenzeka ukuthi mina ngizalwe vele phela nasizalwa sibambe so kusho ukuthi lo msebenzi enginawo lento engiyenzayo manje into engazalwa ngiyiphethe ngesandla.
Okay, sure.
Because honestly I did not go to school. I know what you're gonna come to that. I never went to school for that. Yeah, but ngikhule ngilo mntana loyo. Whoever today ngikhule naye uyasho ukuthi you deserve it. Yeah, you deserve it.
So I'm not promoting ukuthi abantu they don't have to go to school or do anything, but what I want to say is a lot of great actors and a lot of best female actors and actresses, most of them abayanga esikoleni se-acting. Like check Ernest Msebi, check GP Ma Orange,
yes.
Or check Cosmo, generation, like the list goes on, and Popeye Spinach, the list goes on and on. But then youth yamanje motyapeka if you labo maskim sam uyabona ukuthi okay laba bayile esikolweni.
Mhlambe ngayibeka so kahle nangithi angiyanga kuboma university and stuff, but mina ngifunde theater.
Oh, you did
community theater. La eqale yathiwa yiGash. That's where I got my knowledge.
Oh.
Ngo acting and nani.
No. So before we jump to the sketch, we have parents.
It's like ngiselling ngomama and 3 brothers. Apparently I have 6. So 2 of my sisters passed away.
Oh.
Loqala ushone ngo-2001.
Yes.
Emva kwami.
Yes.
That's where I discovered this career, if I may say, or kula kwaphuma khona le calling.
Yes.
Yeah, because nga discover uDuma Mnembe, the late Duma Mnembe, no, the late Nomazisi Molose. Yeah, after my sister's funeral.
Yes.
So, and then the second one ushone 2015, and then my dad was shone in 2009.
Oh.
So I still have a mother and 3 brothers, my son, and my lots of kids. Yabona it's my son and lots of kids, because my sisters had kids. So obviously, babies are too much.
Yes. So talking about that, before we jump, go moment la sekala ngathi kuyakhanya khona. Can you speak about your dark moments? Because kunomunye umuntu manje who's watching, usenhlongweni, ufila ngathi akuhlangani, ufila ngathi uyabamba into makayibambe yaphunyuka, unokuvuka ekuseni abheke iroof akanakudla. Like people are facing a lot of things. We wish to know izinto esifacile wena and overcome kanjani, so they can also be strong by words, because okudalwe ngomlomo sikwazi ukulapha ngomlomo.
Okay. Dark moments, personal life or dark moments work?
Personal life. Then we'll go to work when we jump to the work part.
Dark moments, no?
Yeah.
When I lost my younger sister.
Yeah.
Lazam Fabam.
Ne, poison. I'm going to tell the paper.
And
yeah.
my pregnancy.
Yeah.
Those, especially my pregnancy, is the worst ever.
Yeah.
My pregnancy is the worst ever. But yeah, I've passed it. Way 1998, I've passed it. If my son was born in 1988,
Yeah.
so I've passed that. Losing my sister was the first person I'm losing her.
Sure.
At a very young age. Not young, but at a very young age, because at that time, besinento yokuba, yokula man, sisafuna ukula and stuff.
Yeah.
So tell him, can you bring me my back there? It's fine. Sorry. Thank you.
Oh, no, thanks, sir.
You know?
Yeah.
So it was, man, losing my sister, yes, it's natural. We were very close when we were very close. She was younger than me, but we were like twins.
Yeah.
We were like twins. So losing Angie at that moment, it was very, very accepting to the whole family and such. With my pregnancy, it was worse.
Yeah.
Yeah, with my pregnancy, it was worse.
Yes, sir.
Yazi ngikhulume ne ayithi sikhula sijola nomjolo ukuyobona nomjolo wait
Yeah.
uyasaba siyajola mara sijoli mara siyajola
Yeah.
So yeah, we were still at school. We did not know ukuthi senzani mara siyadlala mos, so siyahlukana siyabuyela niyazi mos sizohlanganelelana ngalile akuphele, understand, but with my pregnancy, it was not good at all. You just discovered with boom you are pregnant, and then what? You're planning a very huge surprise party for yourself. You're gonna surprise yourself, then boom, nasisisu sihleli, and then niyabazike abafana.
Touch and go. Bafethu mara niyeke bafethu. No ipani is corner.
Yeah, niyabazi abafana.
Angeke kuthi ubalekela ama green beans.
Abafana ke uhlala kule strat.
Sona lesi siyamlanda master.
Akuyimthande.
Master las nawe. Paper hell.
No. I'm past that years ago.
Yeah, sharp.
My son will be turning 28 this year, so
shut up,
past that. I got time.
Who's a poster?
I got time.
Okay, I got time, but shut up,
But
keep it strong, keep it ready. There's an opportunity for you here in Casino Voyele. You can come and do anything.
Yeah, no, thank you. Yeah, so yeah, that's how I grew up. That's how things turned out to be when I was about to turn 25.
Okay.
Yes. But my acting career started in 2001.
Yeah, 2001. That's when your acting career started. So how did you deal with the passing of your sister and your son? Because they made you cry. Did you go through therapy? Kunomuntu bokhuluma naye. Ungathini komunye umuntu who's facing the similar thing ondlule kuyo manje uzwa currently watching?
I said inkinga zethu azifana.
Yeah.
That's the first thing.
Yeah.
Me losing my sister, as ngisho ukuthi umntwana, it came past sonke siyakhula abantwana sebakhulisa bangenabo baba.
Yeah.
And then coming to my sister, it was a very difficult one to swallow. Difficult bitter pill to swallow, because njengoba ngisho ukuthi bekumuntu okuqala okushona efamily, and we were very close because abantu, they would say we are twins, and yet we were not twins. Ukuthi njengoba bekazomva kwami.
Yeah.
Me thanking Uduma, may his soul rest in peace.
R.I.P.
Nono Mazizi, may her soul rest in peace. I'm thanking them. Why? Because soon after the passing of my sister, sinama rituals about 10 days in Nkambuluku and stuff. So after Nkambuluku ekhaya, they said seningakhululeka and attend my funeral. So I met Duma at the funeral yakamakhelwane.
Okay.
You understand? And he approached me because I was singing out loud, trying to, umculo mina calms me down. So I was singing out loud, Skapa Nomuntu, didn't even notice him. Then he approached me. I'm coming to my therapy job, and then he approached me, asked me, "Kuti, awuthanda act?" That's all. And I was like, acting? Oh, okay. Then I was told, "Kuti, Monday, because it was Saturday, Monday, and I went to the Mayor's Park 1, uptown.
Yeah.
I went there. There's this song. I would audition with that song because it helped me. It helped me, that song. Uzofika kugcwele, and then there are different, because it was different groups. I think we were 60, if not 70. So we created some groups. Laba bazenza show so, laba bayenza show so, laba bayenza show so. You understand? So there was this lady, and Yamaz, actually platform 1, an elite singer, Unaninta.
Oh, shut up.
She's the one that auditioned me when I got there, and she used to lead this song till today. I'm free to talk about the passing of my sister because I've healed, but all I'm trying to say here is mini therapy amngayithola kulo msebenzi engwenza, because bebaba ningi abantu, you understand that, and I'll feel alone. The only time you feel alone is when you're going home. And now she would start this song, "Be still and know that I am God." Angikwazi ukucula ivoice yami.
Understand, my therapy song was it?
Me, it was my therapy song. Be still and know that I am God. Be still and know that I am God. Be still and know that I am God. In thee, oh Lord, do I put my trust. In thee, oh Lord, do I put my trust. In thee, oh Lord, do I put my trust. That's so.
Shut up. Mana ma audition bo attend bo ukucula ne?
No.
Oh, because ukucula.
No, I can. Just that, as I'm saying, with my voice is like a little bit hoarse now because of
too much training.
Yeah, too much training.
Yeah.
So that song helped me kakulu, because each and every time when it sings, I'll just break down and cry. I'll just break down and cry. Little did I know ukuthi ngiyaphila phakathi. Probably now because of uSamanxeba. It's gonna come back, but it's nature. Izinto zizohamba zihambe zivele, but I was healed by that song.
You know what, guys, what I like to say to people is this: sometimes you are thandaza kuNkulunkulu, not knowing what you are praying for. You are praying for a bigger thing. So that's why you're facing a bigger challenges. So uNkulunkulu, you won't give weak warriors tough battles.
True.
Uzopama warrior anzima, stronger battles. So that means there's more coming. Whatever you have now,
thank you.
There's more coming. Judging too. Yabona makusase soft. Uwazi ukuthi at the end kuzoba nzima. Makunzima uwazi ukuthi at the end kuzoba soft. Kuyakhanya kube mnyama, kuphinde kube mnyama, kuphinde kukhanya. Okuyale kubuyale, okuyale kubuyale. Yabona. So thanks for sharing your story sakho nathi.
No, you're welcome.
I wish abantu bahile ekhaya, don't just sit on the couch. Do something, maybe read books, exercise, be around people. See, people share because we laugh at their problems. That's the first thing.
kunokuthi usize umuntu ngenkinga wena you take that problem uyayishare manje isuka kubani yakubani isuka kubani yakubani and of which that's why sibona kunama-suicide angaka because people they are afraid to share inkinga zabo yabo that's why ngithi mina I never went to any therapy except ukuthi my therapy was there. Now we are believer ukuthi whoever mhlambe ngike nami interviewer or whoever like kwamanye ama podcast you listen umuntu akutshela ukuthi mina ngaphola ngesimanga sokuthi ngaqala into so mina ngaphola ngangena ejele ngaphuma ngabona ukuthi le ndawo ayisangifanelanga ayithi ngenze something else baningi ke abapholiswa yilo msebenzi esiwenza uthi umuntu adlule intweni eziningi manje nasekafika la abona ukuthi la kusekhaya la ngizophola mina ngipholile mina
shout out to Mamzo
mina ngiyangaphola
danka sayabona bafetha sibi shayevosho into omnyama kabo shayevosho
no akabo
bacabanga ukuthi ufila kanti ugidlile
sure
yayibona le ndaba so ngifuna sijumpele into acting yabo because mina ngithanda igesi lami lize kayi-1 ngithanda ukuthi liphinde libuye futhi so that's why ngafuna kuyinweba yabo so let's jump into acting. But before jump into acting, ngifuna sishaye isini eyi-1.
Nobani?
Na.
Uyajabula yazi.
Oh, zeyi-1.
Isini yini?
Shoot manje sewuzongikhapha mina uzobona ukuthi ngifunani. Shoot manje mina ngifuna ibheki yama-diamond kuwe yabo. Bayilethe kuwe and wena elethe umntanakho. Yayibona. Manje mina kungingenela kwapho ngithola wena. Yabo?
Okay.
Ngiyaqala ke.
Yebo.
Amane koko man.
Ubani?
Amane ngithi koko yangibuza ukuthi ngibani
angeke phela uzofika uba ngomsindo kwami uzomamela owami umthetho kwami ngiyani
sabona mama njani
ngiyaphila wena
angiyaphila ma bengizofuna umntana wakho uXolani ngabe ngamthola
ngini bakufundisa ukuthi nafika endlini zabantu ukokota kanje
ma bengifuna uXolani yokokota bese soyibona after ngakwazi ukuthola uXolani na yebo noma cha
uzohamba uyekini batshele bakufundisa umthetho and then you'll come back
okay ma okay sorry mama unjani uyaphila
ngiyaphila wena
nami ngiyaphila ke bengicela uXolani ke
okay
ayeke uXolani mama cela ungangihlanyisi ngoba ngisuka la ngisuka khona ngesihlanyela mama bengicela ungangihlanyisi and la ngize ngenhlonipho ngizongiphendula bengiphendula ngakhona ufuna ukuthi kwenzakaleni
mhlawumbe ukuthi inhlonipha ngibona ngamntana mina mntathenge
yazini mama ngicela side ngifuna ama-diamond ami umntana ukuthatha ama-diamond ami la
wathini wathi
washiyela endlini lo mfana lo la emgijimisa la ngiya east south everywhere ngifuna nalolo mntana wamthumela la emfihlile lo mntana mama
okabani
or mama mele kufe bani mele kufe wena lo mntana
umntana ofihliwe okabani
owakho manje esiwangikhuluma nawe manje ufuna lo mntana
yenza lokho ucabanga ukuthi ku-right for wena
twasha phelile movie
ukhona umzali ovuma ngenganeke iloko libheda injani
akekho mara umuntu makaphumile afuna into yakhe uphuma sekanolaka vele
and then mina I'm sorry this is me I know ukuthi there's one thing eke yashow mamkhoni ne wathi she was being interviewed ukuthi ufuna abantu bakukhumbule kanjani she said one thing and one thing that I believe in
yeah
ngicela ungikhumbule ngale ndlela engikureceive ngayo uya understand so uyafika wena uphuma estradeni uzakwami ngizokureceive kanjani ufika ungidelela kwami you understand definitely ngizodelela back until you learn ukuthi man konje oleta lihlangani kulento angithi ubuclever kuphelele estradeni ubakho nomntana ami estradeni kwama ngihlangani buclever so aphele estradeni ungene ma okay akekho cela umtshela ukuthi ngicela le yashandisi nengaba yikho ayitholakala sizobona ukuthi kwenzakalani now uthi uyaphuma uyahamba uyabuya la buya khona and then wena wenze maphapa simba le nonsense yenza estradeni ufuna kufe bani kule family you understand now I'm dealing with my child wena phela nangabe abazali bakhe bakufundisa ngomthetho ichoice yakho mina ngihlangana but I will deal with my child and then uzothatha lo dodo manje ubuyisela la uthathe khona angeke ngize ngihlale nesigebe ngendlela you understand and it's something that because I'm raising a boy child and leyo ngithi una 28 years I'm raising a boy child engingezame ngakho konke ukuthi no matter there was no father figure elifini yakhe but ithi ngimbonisa izindlela ukuthi sanjoka so mina you do 1 2 3 7 8 9 10 angihlangana because angihambi nawe
Yeah,
estradeni.
uhambi
So angifuna if a person comes in and say umntana khonze, so who am I to stand up and say never hayi umntana mi angihambi
awuhambi naye.
naye ufika sekazolala sometimes angabuyi wena sowule.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah, I understand.
Yes dear.
Yeah,
So
so-
kuya ngokuthi abantwana bethu sibafundisa kanjani
Yeah,
umthetho.
because me I'm playing this scenario because kunalentwana lezi amapansula before you hop into to acting. Lentwana zamapansula they are vandalizing
Yonke
and they
ndawo.
don't have respect. They come with a manner enze ngayo kuwe. You understand? Is that okay? Bafethu, welcome back to Ikasel Vukile Bafethu. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave your comment down below. Uthi Soweto Sikhethu Bafethu. You know I was born in Italy, but my soul lives in. No. I was born in Soweto, but my soul lives in Italy. I'm not from South Africa for next ngam. Yes. But then we were there though. The reason me I took and acted that part. Sisiphumzile explainile ni part yakhe ukuthi why beka kwele character ekuyo. Mina the reason bengole character ngo is because what's happening currently ama 2000 like abanambeko angeke angene kuwe athi ngifuna umntanami makangena endlini ubulala kwakati kwanja kwamntana. So into yenzakalayo currently, you understand, and it's so painful to see abantwana abancane babulalelana for this talk umthenga lesona
Yo.
like what's your take about the teenage brutality that keeps on happening le yama gang?
Very bad. Very bad. And angeke sithi abazali abakhulisa ngabantwana babo kahle ngemfundiso. Abantwana badobha lezinto estradeni with the friends that they befriend.
Yeah.
Uba umngani nomuntu onjani, uba umngani nobani. And at the end of the day noma ngaba umngani noKatlego, uKatlego akangiforce ukuthi ngiyenze.
Yeah.
Instead mina ngifuna uprove ipoint kuba uKatlego ukuthi I can do it.
Yeah.
Now i-experience yami engike ngaba nayo ngathi sithe ngokhuluma ngayo kuke kunale school pack esike saduma nesibizana.
Kerimo.
Is it Kerimo?
Yeah. Yes. Let's be some makharakhala. Kerimo.
Umntana kasisi wami bekanaso and afune noRigesege.
Yo, Kerimo.
Dan afune noRigesege. Ay kwayenzeka i-incident ukuthi ngigena abafana esitimeleni. Bebahamba ngetrain so bahamba namanye amantombazana like uyazi mosisame sikho.
Yeah.
Ngena abanye abafana hayi futhi abangena ngetrainini bebakhaphana labantu so bazodlula phansi kwebridge lasemzimkhiphe approaching ihostel and then bazokwazi ukuthi bacross bayilapha yana yabo. Yeah, it's either bazongena la embobeni yase station and stuff emzimkhiphe station.
Yeah.
Now they were attacked under the bridge. Aba-attack abanye abafana base Casper uptown.
Yeah.
Umigani
Namhlanje siyakunonisa namhlanje. Guys, bengicela nimbekele uqede ukudla lo muntu ne. But then bafethu we sell umkhodu and pork trotters yabo. So umkhodu is 60 rand. Pork trotters is 50 rand. So all in all it's 110. Iphuma nepapa nedombolo neside. So if you want umkhodu or trotters, please make sure you pull up at Food Bar. I'll leave like my numbers for you to call to place an order. Mauza kude yabo. So yeah, angeke akwazi ukudla manje umuntu ukudla. Ngibekele wona ne.
Ngekhalisa kanjani? You know asikubeka ayibu. Asikubeka. Lasiqeda nje.
Yeah. Phela sikayidla breakfast.
We will deal with it.
Kasel Vukile breakfast lunch nasapha. Wazani? Yawena. Yeah.
Sorry, as I was explaining ukuthi under the bridge baba bambinkunzi thathi cool pack.
Yo.
Thulule kwayincwadi zilahlele khona lapho kwaMazihamba. Hamba kweyikhwama sesigijima manje ama-case ama-police station sekuvula i-case manje. Ngihambile i-court ese-Orlando ngesimanga salabantwana esithi thina abazali ababafundisanga kanti yibo abadecide ukuthi bayenze leyo nto leyo. You understand? Like bheka sorry ngeventa Evan kuduma amakolwane. Yabona?
Bathi where's mom's orange farm?
Ekudala kuduma amakolwane. La ngahamba bulala abantwana babantu abashaya. Nogqoka ismart uyatratsha nowenza uyatratsha, you understand? So it's not a nice thing. because ngicabanga ukuthi how to live long or whatsoever unifundisa umthetho.
Yeah.
So why fanele ni khudula abanye abantwana nibayenze ngendlela nibayenza ngayo?
Yeah.
You understand? But ke ilife abantwana bethu abazikhethela yona.
Eish.
Thina sikhule kuthiwa konje bebathini, I just forgot this. Angisazi yazi ngikhohlwe but and you'll die a beautiful corpse, grow underground, something like that. Just that I forgot it. But sikhule kunjalo so bona kusho ukuthi abayiboni. Bona babona basese right basese sharp kumnandi.
Umnandi masayidini wabo. So umntana na 28 makaphuma ngishohle uthanda ukuthi abuya phela.
Yeah, because ukhona labambe khona. So you just pray ukuthi God every but ke there's a reason ukuthi why kunemikhuleko yabantwana. Kuthi fanele sibabeke abantwana bethu emkhulekweni because la ngaphandle bahlangana nezinto ezimbi. Wena unekwali lokuthi umntana nami wakulima walwa nawe 1965.
Yo.
Sengenze example. Now it's 2026. Sekuvukele yakwala.
Leyakudala.
Angithi sekangcono.
Yeah.
Wena ke usese uyabona ukuthi oh lo seka right manje. So uyahamba uvusa le nto yakudala, you understand? So that's why we really need to pray for our kids, for our parents, for ourselves, for our colleagues, for the whole South Africa.
Yeah, the whole at large. So, Bafetu, sorry to be quick. Now, after this question, we're jumping into acting. I wanted to talk about family matters. As a mundo sekas.
Yeah.
Abo mamkhulu, abo auntie, abo malume, kukithi lana. Those issues that we have on a daily basis, what do you think about that? Like, as a family, why mele sikhwapane? Umntana mele abe ngcono ngumntana kalona. Like, why singaboni ngesolinye? Like,
angeke ngazi abanye abantu.
yeah.
But personally I've never experienced that. I haven't.
Yeah.
If mhlambi khona I haven't been told.
Yeah.
Reason why la ngihlala khona ngihlala kabo mama.
Yeah.
Manje kabo mama bebaba ningi. Yeah, understand? Kabo mama bebaba ningi and I think ikule ningi ekhona kabo mama only 2 if not 3 bebangena abantwana.
Yeah.
So the rest banabantwana.
Sharp.
And ofika yazohlala lapha yena uzohlala ekhaya akekho omphikiswayo. Akekho ukuthi gokagogo wami lakamkhulu wami no kusekhaya lethu sonke. I normally preach that man. Nakithi emzimhlophe I say that. Ukuthi lapha yana kusekhaya kabo wonke umuntu akusikukwami. Until mina ngizoyenzela kwami. Sasuke samoshwa abazali bethu kakhulu.
Yeah.
Bathi izindlu ezamalasbon.
Eish.
Izindlu ezamalasbon. Ngiyilasbon angisayi kuyosebenza. Sengimele le bonda lika government engalazi ukuthi I foundation ngalesikhathi bayiqala nganguphi. Now we're going to be fighting for that house. Most unfortunate I haven't experienced it. Uyadlula la so this house is not for sale. Sometimes it's being greedy.
Yeah.
It's greediness. Abazali bakhona ngabe banishiye ekhaya. I think in a school sibalekile.
Yeah.
I think in a school sibalekile because this is not your house.
Yeah.
It's our house. It's my father's house. So nakashona ushiya thina endlini fanele sibambisane. We need to grow together. Yini manje abazali nabangasasekho sesiyalwa kanti lesasikhathi basesekhona. Even though nabo badlalile bayidlala abazali bethu role.
Yeah.
Bayidlala abazali bethu role ukuthi basihlukanise phakathi basikhethe. And then you end up ukwata ngithi. Ukwata so nasengizoyithatha le yandlu ngizothi kukwami. Angithi mama mbekathanda mina. Of which it's wrong. So personally one thing I believe in wonke umuntu unokuthi worst people ever it's family, but once you sit down work things out kunezinto ezingawekeki out honestly kunezinto ezingawekeki out as a family, but at the end of the day see family.
So mina adding to what umamzasi umayisita show ukuthi like bomalume bo auntie bomamkhulu. I think you need to Google that name mamkhulu or Google that name auntie or Google like umntana ngasisi wakho umntanakho ungahlekisi ngesicathulo sakhe sibhobokile because somntanakho sona si right. Ungahlekisi ngama difficulties omunye umntana. Like let's unite. When last most of you people who are watching in Gabana family gathering besihambi be successful without any conflict. How many family gatherings do black people host? It's all about competition.
Nokuthi wena wathini ubani wayenza.
Wena wathi umama kangenzani. Abanye abantwana abancane bafela izenzo zabazali babo.
Another thing, thina kuqala we poison our kids.
Yeah.
Thina we poison our kids.
Yeah.
Ukuthi ungathanda umntana ka auntie, ungathanda umntana ka ubhuti wami wayenza so mina. Bese uyangena nawe shiqi umntwana anisazwani. Bese umama azokutshela ukuthi uzokudisowner because wena ukhuluma nomntana kabani. Mina ngeke kodwa.
Yeah.
I'm one person fighting for peace.
Yes.
Ngiyayithanda ngenhliziyo yami. So if wena ubona elinye side or was elinye side lami, then ilelo laziyo. I'm not here and then ukuthi ngizoqamba amanga ukuthi I want peace. No. I love peace ngenhliziyo yami yonke. I'm a born Virgo at the end of the day.
Yeah. Now, so Buffett, we touched on the things that we face. Guys, we can't touch everything because there are more guests that are coming. So we're now in the acting space. When did you fall in love with acting with Sheila? When was your first time acting and how was it?
No, as I said, I started 2001 and then you show Nkotli Kamala. I forgot the name of that show and finally ngabe into ngikhumbulayo kahle kahle. What was the name of that show? But I remember the first character I portrayed was an elderly woman. She was 102. I think she was 102. Nabangibhalele script bangibonisa ukuthi ngifuna ukuthi udlale i-character yalo yagogo. I was like, I don't know whether ngizoyenza. But now you need to ngoba uyafunda, you need to dress the character, you need to live the character. So now ngiyahamba ngiyombheka ugogo njalo angihlala eduze kwakhe, but I need ukuthi nginganangisela ntshini ngivaye khona ngimbone ukuthi inhlamba uzikhuluma kanjani, ukhuluma yabona ngoba ngibonisiwe ukuthi uzodlala lo muntu
like physical.
Yeah. The writer said to me, Prati, wathi kimi ungifuna udlala i-character yalo gogo yazo ngizokubhalela ene kamampela wangibhalela and bengiyanjalo ke manje ngibheka lo gogo nasidlula ngakhona I need to look ukuthi konje ne movement yakhe uhamba kanjani. I was surprised. I surprised myself ukuthi first time ngiyenza lo msebenzi I cracked that character. I cracked it and everyone would say you are going far.
Yeah.
Sometimes you are going far because uzwa abantu basho kanti ngempela khona abantu ababonayo ukuthi khona la uzofika khona.
Yes.
And nokubekezela. Yeah, nokubekezela. It was a big role and honestly but ke manje ayatshintsha ke lama roles ayatshintsha ke namhlanje kunale show kusasa kunale show. We even entered Stop Crime Drama Festival. Maningi ama festival beswa attend man. Maningi ama festival beswa attend. But 2001 up until 2007 ashiya lento.
Why she?
Ayinamali.
Oh, yeah.
Akunamali ka acting.
Acting akunamali. Like there's a show that is playing now currently. Lana unalo le khonman le go the wife. Homecoming.
Yeah.
So 7 years age. So go 7 years there will change my show. You're on the same show.
No. My man, 2001
yes.
I started.
Yes.
And then 2007 I stopped because there's no money.
On the
Yonking.
On the industry.
Yeah.
So you did one show or you've been doing different shows?
But with one person. Ngikhohliwe le ngisho engisho yona
abanye abantu bakwazi ukuthi man that's why ngimbo
asifika nge-TV sase-theatre so ngikhohliwe le show igama layo and then ngayenza Arrive Alive bekuyama accident.
Yes.
Ngayenza Calamity.
Yes.
Ngayenza Anarchy
ngiyayithanda.
Ngayenza Lubricate. Yeah, it was Nigerians now I tried to figure South Africa with the drugs and all. Yes, we did that too.
Nigerians lubricate.
Yeah.
Lubricate.
No, it was something. It was, yeah, but it's lubricate, anarchy, calamity. What else? No, I think you could like come alive. Best go by arrive alive. Best go by.
No, but at least you mentioned a few.
Stage, ne?
Yeah,
Stage.
Theater. So theater does not have money, so you decided.
No.
Bye theater.
No. It's not the theater does not have money. It's like uvuke kuseni singehope yokuthi yes ngiqale ngafunda kwaba right ngaphekeka ngavuthwa and now sekufanele ka-apply ama funding angithi manje hey aza kudala man funding iphuma kudala man hey funding iza kude man now let me try something.
Ne.
I share my acting.
Okay.
And I went. My mom begatung just that manje share age because she's still alive.
Yeah.
Begayenza ama romantic lines.
Yeah.
So I opted to go to ngisiza umama mainly ngimsize and then we did ama plans.
Okay. So from 2007.
Ngahlala 2007, 2008, 2009 kwafika uAndile Mbatha.
Yeah.
Ahamba no Black Matondo.
Yeah.
From Midlands.
Okay.
Andile Mbatha udlala uBrakata ku House of Zwide.
Oh,
and then Black Matondo. Phew, maningi ama show adlale kuwo maningi ama show. The recent one beka shoot Stockfell. Kune Stockfell esisho sizovela. So the recent one beka shoot lapho. So maningi ama film adlale ku Gold Diggers. Yeah, udlalile lapho. They came home looking for me. Maningi ama film masho ngidlale ku stage ndawo ngiyakhumbula.
Yeah.
And then they come home looking for me and bafuna kabaphumzile baze bathola. Hey mfazi uhlelelene ekhaya kiraye angisangile Andile said awuhlala ekhaya nalento nayo. I thought he was joking. Angithatha nga serious anyway but awuhlala ekhaya nalento nayo. Time right. Bang recruiter manje ngisebenza noLindi Mzolo. Lindi Mzolo beka yenza maningi guys ngiyawakhohlwa to be honest. But yeah, Lindi Mzolo was doing a show in Mbeleko. Yeah, and ngikhohliwe nene. But we worked we even saze perform aboma Johannesburg Theatre.
Yeah.
Because nabo duma bengisebenza kubo boma Windy Pro. Kusesene Windy Pro boma State Theatre. Yes, we sihambile lezo zindawo lezo. Yeah, until man yazi uhamba uhlala man. Ngahlehla kancane ngahlala ekhaya futhi. Vela this guy now. Thapelo Mhlongo from Thakathi Entertainment. Came around. It was 2011. Oh no, before him I met a guy bekasebenza kaFeza ka Gibson Kent. Asebenza nomntana ka Gibson. They were doing a show about umfowethu. That guy approached me wenzani ngithi angihlele ekhaya mina lezi zinto zena ngisazingeni. Uyabona ukuthi uhlali woza. Go. Okay. Yabona into unentshisekelo yayo. Noma ngabe bathi imali ikhona ayikho because uyayithanda but now sikhula sifunde ukuthi ukuthanda into does not pay bills. Because ngiyayithanda ngeke isibhadala ba bills. Kufanele kube ne income.
Yeah.
Yimlo ya. Shosholoza ngiyariyeza manje ngiyariyeza. Excuse me mfowethu ngithola ilite ne solo. Kuyasebenzeka. Yeah, but I worked very nicely with them because we even went to Mafikeng performing there eMabana at center like sethenziwe kakhulu yabona. Phela nawo lama projects ahamba phela kufuneka le funding ahamba phela kufuneka le funding whilst ngisekhaya. And then this guy approached me ke Thapelo Mhlongo ngiyamazi from Mtala. From 2002 ngiqeda ukujoina nje industry. 2002 I met him. Wetsa wena kirama ngibusy koshungu so sorry ka ubaka yabo mpela there was a show he was doing impande zabangamalana no show yini kamera la show ngikhohliwe ngiyalazi just that sleep in my mind, that's why ngikhumbula impande zabangomphathe bekuyi-story esasebased kwizangoma and stuff.
Okay, sure.
So I had to go there ngiyo-replace somebody.
Okay.
Then boom, he introduced me to television. That was 2012.
2012.
Nakangi-introduce ku-television.
Yeah.
But yena ungithwale ngesandla. So now you see, Duma started cooking. Waya abobongani kunobongani Madondo bese kuba no Black Madondo. So Bongani Madondo ngayenza enye show naye. Now ngiyakhula until ngifika kuThapelo Mhlongo. Introduced me to television. First film I shot with him was Kaka's Back. La ngangenza khona noThemba, the late Themba, my friend. May his soul rest in peace. Yeah, may his soul rest in peace. My best friend ever. Now abantu bebanga understand ngithi best friend I'm fan. My best friend ever. Yeah, I was doing Kaka's Back. I was doing kunenye show Chimro. Yeah. Chimro 2, 3. Yeah, Chimro 2, yeah, because Bebenzi 1, 2, 3, and then go by Kaka's Back, go by the Black Rose. Then I kanjalo ku television. During the process, ngambi television, go fellow minister, khanyisile Vilakazi. Wathi kune show ngifuna uzongenzela yona. Going back to stage now. Kune show ngifuna uzongenzela yona yabantwana, children's play theater. I went there, it was called an Eagle. Asebenza futhi naye with the late Themba mngani wami. Kichima. Went back now because someone saw me and saw umsebenzi wami. Now nalo uzokufuna. Truth be told, I don't have an agent njengoba ngibona ngisebenza kanje.
You don't have agent fees?
I don't have I'm angazi ezingishilo ngathi kune calling.
It's pay.
Yeah, calling. Nangiyabe ngine agent umuntu nje ngisebenza naye because she's an agent or who own agent company. Then uthi ngicela ukusebenza nawe then angina problem. Siyasebenza but akukho la registered khona.
Yeah. Ne. So can you talk about like maybe let's say the popular TV shows okasebenza kuwo? And tell us what's happening behind the scenes of it. Because there's a scenario that's going on with it. There are actors who've been acting like from me, so he's about Ernest Msibi, Abo Cosmo, well known as can't remember about Cosmo Kamala Kanamampel. Yeah. Okay, Cosmo. Yeah, but a lot. They are suffering currently. Some don't have houses, some don't have cars, some are sleeping in the streets. But in those about the Sadlala ATV. So let's start the first question. Which were the biggest shows Wawadala? And abantu baqala notice akhona. And what was happening behind the scene? How is it behind the scene?
Alright, it's behind the scene. Bazenzela umsebenzi wabo. But as ngisho ukuthi nawufika emsebenzini you greet everyone. It's up to them ukuthi bakureceive kanjani. But behind the scenes, it's where we prep, man. Siyarana senzani. Very good vibe. Then on camera, wala reality kala khona.
Well, also bono Romania can straight.
Dan, just to kumulili kama like. Yes. Wala reality kala khona sadlala sesisirious manje kuyaphusha umsebenzi job. And then now you must know ukuthi indaba zabo cards abaningi bayehlisa spirit somuntu so ngene setting souls azindaba zakho gijima mhlambe sishaye ngoma 3-4 takes then done. And then including ama angles ayenziwa. Yes. So yeah, behind the scenes we just prep. Phela we make up costume, yabona, then running lines. Siyangena ne-AD, siyapusha, siyafitana kamnandi. From there, screening sesofitana into ephelele.
Yeah. So, to the kids who are watching, who wanna be involved into acting, how do you memorize a script? Or is it a calling also? You don't have a strategy with monga yenza so. Because nakhona you have not mentioned the big shows. oke wa-actor kuwo
angeze kuwe ngithi
Yeah.
manje ubuza imibuzo eminingi.
don't wanna skip any question.
Yeah, no, yes. I started big. What was Rhythm City?
I was
2020. No, bengahluphi. 2020 bengidlala umama womunye umntwana bebamhlorisa esikoleni badlala ngayo.
Yeah.
And then she tried to commit suicide but it failed. And
Yeah.
then she was bound to go wheelchair. I was playing that mother.
Yes.
Igama lami bekulinda. Yona sisibonga ngisikhohlwe mara igama bekulinda.
Bekumlindozi.
Bekulinda, yeah. I had 5 calls there.
Yes.
Yeah, that was the first big thing I did. Eyaziwayo because bengaziwa kakhulu kumzansi.
Yeah.
Understand bengaziwa kakhulu kumzansi because I'm a film amaningi qala kumzansi but the first big thing eyidlala ku.
Okay, bafethu we are back again. Esoweto kasilothozi la kujiya khona iPoti eMahotshi la kuphuma khona oTsotsi. I was born in Soweto but my soul lives in Italy. That's why they call me Intarian. So my question was, Mamzo, to umntana ubukela who's interested in acting, how does he or she memorize his script? Which is even easy for him because they think it's difficult. You need to read the whole page for you to know it.
Okay. First things first, finally ufunda script as a whole. Sonke whether ukhona or awukho ufunda script so that you understand the story. It's gonna be easy for you to know your lines because angeke ngikuphendule into ongayikhulumanga. That's
Yeah.
one thing that you need to know. Uyabona ukuthi when there's a dialogue, i-dialogue ilento esenzayo.
Yeah.
Uyakhuluma ngiyakhuluma, it's natural.
Yeah.
You understand it's good now.
Yeah.
And again iya ngemfundiso la ufunde khona when acting yakho.
Okay, sharp.
Yeah, ukuthi bakufundisa ukuthi how do you memorize lines, how do you do monologue, you understand. So I was taught mina ukuqala kwami ukufunda ukwazi ama-line ukwabamba nje memorize. It was the monologue la ngiqale khona sasibhalelwa nje quarter of a page siphiwe 15 minutes to you must know these lines. Okay, yes uzofika ukhulume ungasho exactly but ungaphumi kude kakhulu.
Yeah.
That's how I learned. Just nje memorize understand ukuthi ukhuluma ngani.
Okay.
Understand ukuthi ukhuluma ngani. Don't kunabantu abaya word by word yabona into ebhalwe scriptini kanti no you just need to be as natural as you are. Understand the story, understand the story.
Fit the character.
And uyazike ukuthi character yini kufanele uyazi kakhulu ukudlula yonke into.
Yeah.
Nathiwa uzodlala u-aunt ufuna bo-aunt estradeni ukuthi konje kuno-aunt so kuno-aunt because i-brief siyayithola
Yeah.
ukuthi what type of a character you are. Hamba-ke manje ufuna ukuthi konje lo-aunt unje.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
And then uzoqhamuka ngo-aunt wakho nawo.
Yeah. So
But nje ifuna iskill sokuthi understand the story, read the whole script. Uyazi ukuthi ubani uthini ukuphi ngasiphi isikhathi. It's gonna be simple for you to know what you are doing.
so that's why it's simpler for mongathola umuntu osekasi wabo actisa life ebupantsula iba simpler because ukhula bukela
Into yaziyo, into ayiphilayo or into
ayijwayele.
Yes, into ayijwayele nangabe bekayipantsula into ayijwayele nangabe uyisigebengu uyisigebengu bekayisigebengu so yabona.
Yeah.
That's why manje akwazi ukutafula abantu akwazi ukwenzani because u understand the assignment wa understand the script nakasithola waseseka gijima ngaso.
Ne mina bothi ngibuzele ngimi mobhekele mina iphi character ngangifit.
Ayangazi.
Wena mobhekile angithi asixoxela sithi wena bona noma ngephi role mina
Ungaba nomfundisi. Done.
Mina
I-problem ilapho ukuthi umuntu nakakuphi character uthi mina no uyazi ukuthi kunama-gay adlala abobaba abasendlini.
yeah.
So why ukuthi mina ufuna ngithini ufuna ngithi ngaba isidakwa
mara very nice.
or you want me to say that wena kanti ngaba isidakwa ngaba utsotsi ngaba ucheese boy. Yes.
Yeah, mara
There are gays who tend to be fathers, the same thing.
Mara yes, I feel like umuntu makhethe character as the universe emtshela ukuthi lo muntu angaba yini. So mawuthi kimi i-character wangipha yona ukuthi ngibe umfundisi ngine podcast efundisa abantu. So ngumfundisi.
Thank you so much.
Oh, that's my
character.
character.
I've portrayed umama ohlanyayo wakuGomora. I've portrayed isangoma. ngumama kuningi maningi ama-character engiwadlalile maningi ama-character engiwadlalile and because njengoba ngitshela ukuthi uphiwe i-character and then uhlale phansi ufunde uyibheke ukuthi alright kwanze lezi ndawo lo udakwa so alright you understand you'll come with your own thing.
So let's talk about the suffering of artists, not artists, actors and actresses, who we see them suffer, some homeless, some they don't have food, some they are working, some they don't even have like a penny on their pocket right now, some they are even millions but donated, but then lo muntu beka items in insizwa. And what's your take about a once off fee, like paying abantu once off, then into yakho nidlala for 7 years but then impatalela one. So let's start about the suffering of the actresses and actors. When you see them in the streets, some of them used to be your icons. When you see them in the streets, how do you feel? And what's happening behind the scenes? Why is it ukuthi umuntu mayiqeda actor singambonisa ka grand?
I don't know, but uphendulile wena mos lento ngibuza ya ukuthi siya perform and then sibhadalwe once off. Yabona? And then ama-contract asayinwayo ngithi. Yes, ama-contract asayinwayo ukuthi alright, production house nani nayifika lapha kuya-negotiate and then this is what we're gonna give you. Either bayasithenga i-story nabaqeda ukusithenga bayasho ukuthi ayisobhadala into engaka or wena artist uyatshela ukuthi this is how much we have for you, but because angifuna ukuhlala ekhaya ngifuna ukusebenza as much as ingekho enough, but ayikho enough, to be honest. It's not enough. It is not enough. I was listening to Xolile Shabalala after this whole Toy thing. Most of actors and actresses were complaining ukuthi kubuye kuhambe nange-age ayisomdala. Yeah, understand. Kanti why thina la South Africa kuthiwa sesibhadala and then singasaphiwa ama-opportunities, whereas outside countries they do give ama-artists abo opportunities as old as they are. Who said yes, abantu abadala, we didn't know about dementia personally, ngazi nge-dementia manje ngiyabona. So mhlambe babona ukuthi uzoba ne-dementia bayasogolisa abantu abadala. Amara ngikhumbula ngisebenza nomuntu omdala osogolisa yini ku-industry since ngafika ngike ngisebenzeni nabantu abadala, angikhumbule asogolisa ngama-line. I know them working bawazi ama-line. So ilento yalama-contract esiwasayinayo bese kuba ile tax esiyibhadalayo because we are being taxed kakhulu futhi. Asina UIF lento elwelwayo angithi, asina ama-benefits, asina next. Akukho ukuthi nasekuphelile umsebenzi I'm falling back to okay ngiyobhalisa i-UIF yamanje ngithole into so yabona. And then nalama royalties esingawatholi awokuthi ifilimu iyadlala iyaziphinda but abantu bhatala ngoba kunabhatalwa once off abasaqhubeki like another thing. Now I'm shooting Homecoming, and njengoba ngishuthi Homecoming iyadlala every Monday to Wednesday 163 6:30.
Yes, sir.
The scenes that you're gonna see, ama-scene amanye ngiwashuthe last year. So what I shot this year ayikakadlali kusadlala into engiyishuthe last year. I got paid for it last year. I had to do things last year ezibhekene nawe as a person kuleyo change oyithola. So I'm not specifically talking about Homecoming, I'm talking about the industry as the films that as actor work, because uzozo umuntu athi angikubone ku Homecoming, ngikubone ku Gomora, ngikubone ku Spy Makhelwane, you understand, you see me there, it's fine, but kudala ngishuthile and I got paid and I did izinto ekufanele ngizenze ngaleyo mali leyo. Now I'm waiting for a new salary ezongena njengoba ngisebenza. Yes.
So because I was speaking with another producer nangijela ukuthi awudog labantu labafuna sibabhadala every month, but then asikayirecoup nale mali le esisebenzise ngakubo. So mina ngambuza ukuthi hawo ungitshela ukuthi imali yizwe angikayirecoup namanje. But user is still playing. And
bheka ke sikhule sibhekele.
So imali yakho ayirecoup namanje.
Angeke ngazike when it comes to that department.
Yeah, so yena ungitshela ukuthi the reason bangakwazi ukunigaya every month is because abaka-recoup imali zabo.
Hayi angifuna ukuqamba manga, I don't know of that. Mina just nje ngifuna ukusho ukuthi yes i-industry khona siyasebenza siyakuthanda siyawuthanda lo msebenzi, but yes definitely they will tell you nge-budget honestly. Yeah, the budget, this budget, that budget, this, and because angifuna ukuhlala ekhaya ngifuna ukusebenza. Ngiyagijima ngomsebenzi.
Yeah, and ufuna ukuba relevant.
Ngifuna ukusebenza ekhaya ngi-breadwinner.
Yeah.
You understand, ekhaya ngi-breadwinner, so
you can't let the bag go.
Hayi nginomama nginabantwana, nangivuka ekuseni umama is looking up to me ukuthi uphumzile namhlanje uzobuya nento so or kusasa, you understand.
Yeah.
Or nayi nakuphela inyanga babheka igrocery kuphumzile.
Yeah.
So i-social fell empini.
Aish. So bafethu I just wish ukuthi ama-actor nama-actresses ayiphasa lento le abayilwelayo yabona.
Yes,
every month
sonke
bakwazi
sikhulekela
ukuhola sikhathele ukudonate bafethu like yo asisazi-ke kusho ukuthi nabanye sebebadonatela futhi ayiphele la ile bafethu asiphilisaneni sibe ni-grand siyomjobela we make sure ukuthi umuntu omnyama uhlale a-grand yabo. So Mamzo,
Hello.
wena unga-advise umntana wakho ukuthi a-venture into acting?
Hey, abantwana bethu sihluleka ukuna-advise ukuthi buyele esikoleni.
Hey.
So yini engizokutshela yona, because now we've got rights. Mina ngizothi ungayi wena bese uthi angithi wena lapha. You understand? Phela nina abantwana bethu baya backchatter today these days.
Yeah.
Wena umbonisa ngale ndlela umbonisa ngayo yena kuphendula ngale ndlela
akuphendula ngayo.
So i-choice yomuntu badala phela banamapasi.
Yeah.
Wena uzozama ukuthi umbonise ukuthi hey man aza kukho lula lana man. Ungayithanda but ayikho lula. Ufuna ukuziprovela ukuthi ayikho lula.
Yeah. So enye ngifuna ukuyibuza lento le couch casting solo ukubuza ngale. Kuna lobo lo novelile lo lala nabantwana abancane athi uzobayenza ama-model. Angazi ukuthi uyibonile.
The white guy.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's then abawafara imali. Then but there's couch casting. Yeah. Where before bakufaka ku generation bani belalale nawe.
Angikaze ngayi-experience but nami ngizwile ngayo. I've never experienced it mina personally but ngizwile ngayo, and inkinga i-one ngama-couch casting because uthenjiswa lento bese uya-underperforma bese ikubaluza i-viewership bese uyaqoshwa.
Sebakudlile.
Understand? Ngizwile uya-couchwa ucastwe and then you underperform, and then i-viewership yalento i-target iyayehla, nakwehla i-viewership perform, then you leave.
Yes.
And then cost the company money. Understand?
Yeah.
Not Gabi, fana nama content creators, so we experiencing the same thing.
Yeah.
Now when khona bayile esikolweni.
Yeah.
Bayile esikolweni vele for yona. Mina njoba ngisho ukuthi ngikhulume phansi kwe-theatre. So now Katlego is doing this podcast. Bamthandile bambona Duli uyasebenza.
Yeah.
Angeke silwe bakuthandile.
Yeah.
So ukuthi nje uthulubheke uvume ngoba sonke siselayini one efuna umsebenzi.
Egcinile. Ne. So angifuna ukucitha indaba because ngifuna episode number 2. So what are you currently working on now? So people can support you, like we can fully support you. Masithi kase vuli ilivukile. We mean go to umuntu makaphuma la uzothola support la efuna. What are you doing now?
Okay, now
tell us the roles, tell us everything. Tell us.
All right. Ezodlala, just that I don't know ukuthi izodlala nini. Because I did part 2 ngiqale lapho ne before uzofika kule dlala manje. I did part 2 Secret Weapon bedlala ku Showmax.
Yes.
Yes, so I don't know ukuthi izodlala nini but sengiqedile ukushootha ngishoothe last year.
Yes.
And then I also did part 2 Spy Makhelwane.
Yes.
Bedlala ku 161. So izodlala manje ngo, let me check. Izodlala manje ngo March. March ngengakhi, I'll let you know now. Ukuthi izodlala manje ngo March ngengakhi. Spy Makhelwane 2 leso ne?
Spy Makhelwane 2.
Yeah. March nge 29. Izodlala nge 29 isika March. Spy Makhelwane 2 ngo 7.
Okay.
Yeah, I shot it last year nayo. And currently I'm busy shooting Homecoming edlala ku 163 from 6:30 till 7. Ngidlala umama kaMankwanyane. Mankwanyane is the girl that is married to Sfiso. Sfiso, who is Tembukosi Mthembu.
Yeah.
Yes, I'm playing that role. Mamaki.
Yeah.
Mama no hlala kabomkhwenyane. Yeah, I'm that woman no hlala kabomkhwenyane supporting umntanakhe, giving her moral support and stuff.
Yeah.
Yes, idlala every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. 163 Mzansi. Yes.
So, being that character, how does it feel being?
I loved it. I love the character le galo mama odlala manje because I'm playing Makumete. That's the character I'm playing, Makumete. I love it because ngidlala isangoma kakhulu. Ngiyabadlala bo mama, it's fine, but this one is a different mama. Umama ophansi. Yabona unolakanyana yena kodwa phansi because most of the time banokukasta ngobuloud bakho ngobuwena bakho, understand? So ingiphi challenge ukuthi venta from la mama bekagula wakugomora, from la mama ukugomora was playing uMampele. That's the biggest role eyangenza ukuthi ngibe recognized kakhulu more than whatever that I've done before. Bebangazi abantu, not that bebangangazi, but the Gomora thing yakhuphula kakhulu. And then now I was a that mad woman odlala uMampele. Now ngaba yilabo mama bathanda indaba yabona base next door those things. And then this one ingehlisile ilo mama nje ukwazi ukuthi aguide umntana kentombazane odlula, like I'm that mother who is supporting to the child and ngiyamguide ngayo yonke indlela nakaphuma endleleni ngiyambuyisa.
Yeah. Shout out to that, because shout out to actors and actresses bafethu silasikhola because of you. Si understand ama-drugs because of you. Si understand the HIV because of you. Si understand inkonzi because of you. You deserve credit ebhaya more than I'm a musician. Because ne change knowledge abantu ababhaya. Without you bese ngeke sazi ukuthi crack ngakubulala. Without you bese ngeke sazi ukuthi inyawupe ngakubulala. Without you bese ngeke sazi ukuthi ejele kwenzakalani kahle kahle. So you deserve the best because you are the light of our future. Let's not dim the lights. Let's make the light to be more brighter. You understand? So, any future plans? Maybe owning your own private company, hiring the people. We'll let God know.
uNkulunkulu will decide. Ukuthi uNkulunkulu will decide ukuthi manje ngifuna ukuthi wenze so mntanami. Ngibona ukuthi la so hambile ufikile, now do this. Yeah, and then I did a show. I was doing a narration with that show. Last year it was Ingoma the musical. That show that made me win an award. So
yes.
I have an award now.
Award-winning actress in the building, not just any Baba. Award-winning actress in the building, Baba.
Thank you so much. I won that award as a stage. Now you must know, as a stage, I was doing a narration, the musical. So I won an award as a best narrator.
Shout out.
Thank you.
Thank
you so much.
So we are balancing the situation. We are bringing the kids abafuna change impilo zabo from Mama Pantsula to becoming kids who are working, to advise intwana lezi ezincane ukuthi uPantsula ukho right. Bese siletha abantu abadala to show you the life. Ukuthi there's life after poverty. She's an award-winning actress now. She's on TV. Like she's there, yeah. So last question to close the show. How's the response? Ebantwini estrating when they see you.
Nanglo mama, and and then I say mina mupu mama. Wena man bengiphekelele manje. Yakuwe. Now ngiyabonga nje that support, and I've allowed myself whenever they bafuna my pictures, I need to give them, because this is what I say. And what I do make them fall in love with me. So when I meet them starting, who am I to deprive them happiness yokungibamba yokungihaga. Sometimes it's too much, believe you me, because sometimes unenkinga zakho allow them, because kusasa uzothola igama kusahlangana naye yes akathanda abantu. No, sometimes they need to understand ukuthi we've got things siyabantu nathi. At the end of the day TV kusemsebenzini, I'm a human being onezinto zakhe azenza, we understand, but believe you me, so ngiyabahlonipha kakhulu because I'm who I am because of them. Is for the support, for the love that they show to me, for whatever that abasenzela yona ngokusibheka appreciation yethu ukuthi nakathi ngicela isithombe pause omnikeza noma ngabe usekunzima lokunjani pause, because ungena edining room yakubo uyawuza ngithini umuntu omuza yobe ngikubhekela manje nangithi ngiyachange sokuvela wena futhi nangithi ngiyachange ungena edining room yakubo, sitting room, lounge, bedroom abakwazi, but wena you make them love you. So yes
Bafethu, you keep it like that. Stop sharing coming actions to your friends because you feel like you are biggering now. It's not that way. Mara mina sorry go le couple le Bafethu le alanga le Bafethu ngiphethe izinyo Bafethu abenge ngisakwazi ukuma lapha lapha bese ngifa lapha. Sorry Bafethu mangihlangana nazo thathi ithombe yo leyalanga leliya ngithathile ithombe ukuza nemoya mara kula sengizwa khona ukuthi angifuni ukuma
izinyo manje lingenza manje
and manje sithathile sokuqala sebafuna ukuthatha 1 ngathi ayabaphethe ngicela ukuvala, but
because that's what makes them happy. Ukuthi umuntu athi nginesithombe sami naye ngi1 nasi group picture sibaningi but fanele ngibe yi1 like so that nizobona nani ukuthi I have a picture with that person.
Sorry mara Bafethu, sorry. So Insta handles, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok. How can we get hold of you?
Okay, Instagram ngiyavakasha, angisumuntu nazo kakhulu lezi zinto zama social media. Ngiyavakasha 2 days, today ngikhona, after 5 months angikho. You understand, but ku Facebook nguphumzile kubheka kaSithole. And then ku TikTok Pums 98. Either Pumza 98 or Pums 98. Yes, that's me. Welcome for bookings, MCing, show facing, face showing, English.
Yes.
MCing. Yes, I'm available. And then the show facing appearance nje. Ngithi nalazi lo daba sizama ngapha nanga. Le mali fanele siqokelele sithi ukuhlanganisa.
But then it's more Musa kaNkulunkulu through the hardships ondlule kuzo, losing your son, losing your sister.
I've got a son. I have a son.
Losing
my dad, my 2 sisters.
Sorry to the son. Besithi lose like laba bakuzisa ubuhlungu nalaba bakhethile nalaba bakubetray, but you're still here. Mabuya eValentine years azokulethela ama flower.
Thank you.
And ngizoza ngama camera to honor you for working so hard and having an award. Then I'll have an award here eKastle Vukile whereby we place it there as an honor. So this show will be a show where we honor people, not to tarnish people. Manto to promote the show, we give you a plaque or an award.
Thank you.
For working so hard. So everybody knows the seconds of 12 ladies in Toledo, and make sure Bafethu stream the first song that plays on the show. It's KLM. It's on all digital platforms. Stream the show so we can make money over the podcast and the music and upgrade. We want to upgrade. Sometimes in Tatusis Pums so shoot a boating. Bese mari audio ikhala kamnanda nizwa manzi. But from me, ukatleho so to kafela yamotiba.